Have you ever wondered why some people at 70 still glow with energy, while others barely past 50 already feel tired, achy, and restless at night? Let me tell you a secret. An ancient fragrance once used to heal both body and mind. A secret that's been forgotten for centuries. And the miracle is, it's not found in a hospital, but right inside your own kitchen. Stay with me, because in just a few minutes, you'll understand why thousands of people over 50 are regaining their vitality through this simple remedy. Have you ever looked in the mirror one morning and realized your skin isn't the same anymore? Drier, thinner, and sometimes even tender to the touch. One of my patients, Helen, 67, once told me, "Doctor, I'm not afraid of aging. I'm just afraid of looking in the mirror and not seeing life in my face anymore." I know that feeling. We can't turn back time, but we can soften its touch by caring for ourselves with the power of nature. Today, I want to share with you an ancient secret, frankincense oil. This golden resin, when extracted the right way, can make your skin soft again, ease aching joints, and calm your mind on weary days. It's not magic. It's natural science. Gentle, slow, and deeply effective. And if you give me just a few moments, I'll show you exactly how to make this precious oil right in your own kitchen. Have you ever found yourself lying in bed, eyes closed, yet your mind keeps running? Old thoughts, small worries, washing over you like waves. I know that feeling. At this age, many of my patients, from retired teachers to former executives, tell me the same thing. "Doctor, I'm not tired. I just can't sleep as deeply as I used to." I usually smile and tell them about an ancient fragrance, frankincense. Just a few drops rubbed gently on the wrists or chest, and as its warmth spreads, the soft aroma begins to guide your breathing. Slower, deeper, calmer. Science shows that frankincense can help lower cortisol, the stress hormone, allowing the brain to drift naturally into rest. And the beauty is, it doesn't just help you sleep, it helps you rest. Because sleep, after all, isn't just about closing your eyes. It's when both your body and your mind finally let go. Have you ever woken up to stiff knees, heavy shoulders, every step reminding you how many years you've carried? I see that every day, not just in my patients, but sometimes in myself. At 60, I understand what it means when joint pain becomes an uninvited companion. One of my patients, Charles, once said, "Doctor, I'm not afraid of pain. I'm afraid of not being able to move." And surprisingly, what brought him relief wasn't a strong painkiller. It was frankincense oil, used for centuries in ancient medicine to reduce inflammation and ease muscles. Try this. Each night, warm a few drops of frankincense oil in your hands. Massage it gently into your knees or shoulders for 5 minutes. Feel the warmth spreading, the aroma softening. And you'll realize, sometimes healing doesn't come from medicine, but from listening to your body through nature itself. Now, imagine this. Sunlight filtering into your kitchen, and on your stove, a small glass jar slowly filling the room with a warm, resinous scent. Hard to believe, isn't it? Yet, with just a few simple ingredients, you can make your own frankincense oil, pure, safe, and full of healing energy. I've done this countless times for my patients. They're always surprised when they learn all it takes is natural frankincense resin, a carrier oil like jojoba or olive oil, a glass jar, and a bit of patience. When you grind the resin, mix it with the oil, and let it infuse gently for 24 hours. You're not just creating an oil, you're slow-cooking serenity. After straining, just apply a few drops to your skin. Rub gently. and feel the fragrance wrap around you. Warm, soothing, alive. It's not just a recipe. It's a ritual of self-care, a moment of stillness, a gentle reminder that healing, real healing, begins with love for your body, your breath, and your life. I still remember the first time I showed one of my patients, Margaret, 72, how to make her own frankincense oil at home. She looked at me, smiled, and said, "Doctor, I never thought something as small as a few drops of oil could bring me so much peace." And she was right. Because when you combine frankincense oil with a few drops of pure essential oils, like lavender, sweet orange, or sandalwood, you're not just creating a pleasant scent. You're creating a therapy for the soul, a moment where the body relaxes and the mind softens, as if you've stepped into a quiet garden after the rain. Try this. Each evening, place a few drops of your blend into your palms, rub them gently together, and press your hands over your chest or temples. Inhale deeply. The warm, woody fragrance of frankincense, blended with the floral or citrus notes of essential oils, helps lower stress, steady your heartbeat, and quiet the mind. Sometimes, just a few drops are enough to make you feel truly healed, in the most tender, natural way possible. Now imagine this. There are days when you haven't done anything exhausting, yet your mind feels heavy, your heart restless, and you can't quite explain why. Many of my patients in their 50s and 60s tell me, "Doctor, I don't feel like myself anymore. I get irritated easily. I'm tired for no reason." What's fascinating is that this isn't always emotional. It's hormonal. As we age, our hormones shift quietly. And when they fall out of balance, our moods follow. That's when frankincense oil becomes a faithful companion. Just rub a few drops on your wrists or chest, or inhale the soothing aroma deeply. The natural compounds in frankincense help lower cortisol, the stress hormone, and boost serotonin, the happiness hormone. I always tell my patients, you don't need to chase youth. You just need to find balance, and your body will do the rest. And here's something beautiful. In nature, nothing is ever wasted. Even when you make frankincense oil at home, the leftover resin, after straining, what many would throw away, can become a hidden treasure for your skin. I remember one of my longtime patients, Helen. She once brought me a small jar filled with leftover frankincense paste mixed with a little jojoba oil. She smiled and said, "Doctor, I call this my happiness cream. Every time I shower, I feel 10 years younger." And she was right again. Used as a natural body scrub, those fine resin grains gently exfoliate, removing dry, dull skin, while the remaining oil deeply hydrates, leaving the skin soft and glowing. All you need is a spoonful, mixed with a bit of honey or olive oil, then massage gently all over your body for 5 minutes before showering. No spa, no expensive creams, just a few minutes with something you once thought of as waste, and you'll see your skin brighten, along with the smile staring back at you in the mirror. I often tell my patients, there's no oil that works like magic, unless you truly listen to your body. Frankincense oil is no exception. It can ease pain, soften the skin, and calm the mind. But the key is knowing how to use it properly. Before applying it, test a small amount on your wrist or behind your ear. Wait a few hours. If your skin feels fine, no redness, no irritation, that's your body's way of saying it accepts this gift from nature. I once treated a woman in her 70s with very sensitive skin. She blended her frankincense oil with a few drops of coconut oil to make it gentler. And after 2 weeks, she smiled and said, "Doctor, my skin feels like it can breathe again." Remember, less is more, but consistency matters. You don't need much, just a few drops, a gentle rub, a deep breath, and let nature do the rest. Our bodies don't need rush or pressure. They just need to be treated with respect and kindness. Have you ever noticed how, when someone places a gentle hand on your shoulder, even for a moment, your whole body seems to relax? Massage isn't just technique. It's a language of care. And when combined with frankincense oil, that language becomes even more powerful. I remember Robert, a 68-year-old retired teacher who suffered from chronic neck and shoulder pain. He had tried every medication, but nothing lasted. One day, I showed him how to warm a few drops of frankincense oil between his palms, rub it gently on his neck and shoulders, and move slowly with his breathing. A few weeks later, he said, "Doctor, it's not just the pain that's gone. I feel calmer." Science confirms it. Gentle massage releases endorphins, the body's natural, happy hormones, while frankincense helps reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. If you do this each night before bed, just a few minutes, you'll feel the difference. Your body lighter, your breathing deeper, and your heart a little more at peace. Looking back on my 30-plus years of practice, what moves me most isn't the complex cases I've treated, but the quiet moments when a patient tells me, "Doctor, I feel better, lighter, and at peace." You see, recovery doesn't always come from powerful drugs or high-tech machines. Sometimes it comes from the small rituals, the drops of oil, the slow breaths, the gratitude you offer your body. Frankincense oil, what many think of as just a scent, is, in truth, a gentle companion. It helps us stay youthful, soft, and serene. So, I'll leave you with this reminder. Give your body a little care every single day. Let nature touch you through the scent of frankincense, the warmth of your own hands, and the moments when you simply pause to listen inward. Because when you treat your body with respect and love, it will reward you with a vitality and grace no medicine can ever replace. You know, after decades in this profession, I've realized something. True health doesn't just come from medicine. It comes from how we treat our bodies every single day. A single drop of frankincense oil, a slower breath, or a few minutes of gentle evening massage, these small moments can open up a whole space of peace within you. Our bodies, especially after 50, don't need anything complicated. What they need is mindful care. When you softly touch your skin, ease an ache, or simply pause to take a deep breath, you're sending your body a message. I'm still here, and I'm listening. I've seen so many of my patients, people once tired, sleepless, aching, rediscover joy and vitality just by returning to the simplest, most loving natural practices. The deeper lesson: youth and wellness don't come from fighting aging. They come from embracing it and caring for your body with gratitude. Start today, gently but consistently. A question for you. After hearing this, have you ever tried a natural practice that helped your body and mind relax? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to read your story and learn from you. And don't forget to subscribe to Everyday Vital Path, so I can keep creating meaningful and helpful content to inspire your next step toward a calmer, healthier life.